Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. Okay. So, first of all, we need to on our camera. First of all, please on all of you your cameras. Yes, children, keep on your camera, all of you. It's compulsory. Very good. I can see here Chaitanya, Pahal. Only these much students are there. Okay. Mehak Jain, Gunjan. Don't forget the thing that I will Saksham, Sur. I will remove you from my class if you will not on your camera. I will remove you. Okay. Chaitanya, keep on your video, beta. Good. Very good. So, let's start our class with news headlines. Thereafter, we will revise. Board is visible to all of you. Is it visible? Mehak? Lavanya? Okay, beta. Thank you. Good. So, let's start with news headlines. Yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, the news headlines of today. Ma'am, mask up for 100 days. Biden sets pandemic goals of masking, schooling, and vaccination in introducing health team.
Good. One more.
Uh,
Aram. News headlines, beta. Saksham. News headlines. No one. Anyone of you are not knowing about your country? What is going on around us? Huh? Yes, Saksham. Unmute yourself, beta.
India won the T20 series and the form is back to the India.
Once again and a bit louder.
Yes, ma'am. India won the T20 series against Australia and India comes to play the test match.
Okay, so yesterday we revised our chapter Making of National Movement the 1970s to 1947. Okay, here I am going to give you some questions. I am going to write some question on the board. Need to write the question, the same question on your note copy. Then after need to write it down and send me the PDF by today evening itself. Is it clear? And about the art and integration, many of you have already submitted your art integration. Okay, Chaitanya, let me finish first, beta, Hana. So now I will share one link in portal where you have to send your art integration. Got it? What I am saying, it is clear? Art and integration. I will share one link in your portal with सेक्शन आर्ट एंड इंटीग्रेशन. आपको उस लिंक में जाना है, लिंक क्लिक करना है, वहां पे अपने नाम के साथ आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन अपलोड करना है. इज इट क्लियर? इट इज कंपल्सरी. फॉर दिस यू विल get 10 marks. Okay, and definitely it will affect your result. Is it clear? Yes, Sur. What's an issue, beta?
मैम वो मेरे को लगा था कि मतलब आपके पर्सनल नंबर में सेंड
आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पे सेंड नहीं करना है. यू नीड टू सेंड मी only your notes PDF in my personal number. Otherwise, you need to send your art and integration in shared link. Today, by 5 or 6 o'clock evening, I will share one link. Please must check your portal. Is it clear? Okay.
ओके मैम.
Yes, Chaitanya.
yes, ma'am, I was telling that. Ma'am, first of all, अभी ये जो क्वेश्चन हम लोग लिखेंगे, सो मैम इनका जो आंसर है हमको स्कैन करके व्हाट्सएप में भेजना है, फिर ईमेल में भेजना है.
नहीं, ईमेल में मत भेजिए, व्हाट्सएप में भेजिए. बट बिफोर सेंडिंग योर PDF, please rename your PDF. Suppose sending it is writing revision number 2, है ना? Revision we have already revised twice. It is revision number 3 or 2, whatsoever it is, है ना? Like this. Chapter में revision 3. So
And ma'am, yes.
yes.
मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दैट मैम मेरा आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन में पहले ही भेज दिया था, तो अभी भी भेजना है क्या?
Many of you have already sent.
मैम योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग.
Sorry.
यस मैम, आई वाज आस्किंग दैट मैंने अपना आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन पहले ही सबमिट कर दिया था, तो क्या अभी भी सबमिट करना है?
हाँ, वो लिंक जो मैं शेयर करूंगी ना, एंड पर्टिकुलर लिंक यू नीड टू सेंड इट अगेन. ओके?
बट मैम मैं पहले ही सबमिट कर दिया हूँ, तो अभी उसका वर्क क्या है? मैम
Yes, beta, I am listening. I am telling that. Listen to me carefully. Twice for half yearly and for annual, you are going to get marks twice. So what's the harm to send your art and integration twice? Is there any harm?
no, but मैम नो हार्म इज देयर. एंड नाउ मैम लिंक कहाँ होगा मतलब भेजने के लिए?
मैं लिंक शेयर करूंगी, एक लिंक उसमें जाकर के क्लिक करना है. You just need to click the link. You will get option upload. Then you need to upload your art and integration with proper name and ID. Got it, Chaitanya? Got it, children?
लिंक कहाँ पे होगा? पोर्टल में?
Yes, portal में you will get a separate section in portal. I will make art and integration with the heading art and integration. Got it? With the heading.
कब तक अपलोड करना है?
Sorry, Chaitanya.
मैम कब तक अपलोड करना है?
It is already with you, so as soon as possible. ठीक है?
Okay.
You will get couple of day. Time of couple of day. Okay? Fine. Laksh.
Ma'am, you have given 2 art integration. Ma'am, one you have given before half yearly and one you have given after half yearly. Which one we have to send? Ma'am, both.
Yes, just I told there are 2 examination, 2 semesters, semester 1 and semester 2, and for both you need to submit your art and integration. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
may I start the class with your permission, my dear children? Okay. So, just a moment. I'm sharing. I'm writing some question on board, and you need to copy it down and answer it. Okay. First of all, verbally you need to tell me. Wait, Chaitanya, I'm showing. But first of all, you need to tell me the answers of the question which I'm asking here. And the question is, what were the crucial questions asked by the people about India? What were the crucial questions asked by the people about India? Raise your hand and you can answer. Raise your hand. Laksh.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer it.
Ma'am, I'm not raising hand for the answer, ma'am. I'm raised my hand that time.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Ma'am, I forgot to lower it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, you can answer.
Ma'am, most people and the majority of foreigners thought that how could India survive as a single and independent nation? Means it had been under the influence of British kingdom, British rule for about for 100. So like, how can they survive? How can they show that we are also powerful still? And second question was that everybody thought that India's demanding linguistic states like for Marathis, for Gujaratis, for Odia, all of them demanded their own linguistic state. So many people thought that how could India be united as they are demanding their own linguistic states? And how can this discrimination based on gender, racism, how can all this be eradicated
Yes.
or make less?
Till then, rest of you note down the question, है ना? Then, in all, we can say the crucial question is about the unity of India, है ना? Next question of the question is, what is the literal meaning of Sarvajanik? What is the literal meaning of Sarvajanik?
Can I tell? Sarvajanika means, ma'am, Sarvajanik means for all. In two words, its meaning is for all.
चैतन्य वेट बेटा, दूसरों को भी बोलने दो ना थोड़ा सा, फिर आपसे पूछेंगे. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else want to tell the answer? Suryansh. Yes, Suryansh.
Ma'am, Sarvajanik means public.
Sarvajanik means public.
Yes, ma'am.
We can say publicly, but in a proper term, we can say the literal meaning of Sarvajanik is of for all the people. Okay, right answer. Right answer given by Suryansh. The next question is, please note down question, define the term sovereign. Define the term sovereign. Now raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, no one is raising hand. It means no one wants to answer. Only Chaitanya will answer. Bhumika, need to raise your hand, beta. Yes, Bhumika, tell the answer. Bhumika, tell. And now all the videos are off. Don't forget, principal ma'am is observing us. Then after I will remove you from the class. Yes, Pearl, answer it. Here is the question. Define the term sovereign. Define the term sovereign. Louder, beta.
Ma'am, it means king.
King. No. Anyone else? Anyone else? Bhumika? I think
The person loyal to the country.
personal law or act to the country. Yes, but it is incomplete answer. Yes, Chaitanya?
A state or country is
Ma'am, the literal meaning of
independent and not
sovereign.
under the authority
Excuse
of
me,
any
Bhumika.
other country.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I was telling the literal meaning of sovereign here is to talk about religion.
No.
Ma'am, I mean sovereignty is not about religion, but how the way, the technique of separating religion from the state. So that is termed as sovereign.
Telling about secularism, beta. Sovereign. I am asking about sovereign. What is the literal meaning of
I
sovereign?
mean united, ma'am, united. No discrimination is there, united.
टोल्ड बाय भूमिका बट एक सेंटेंस उसमें ऐड कर देना एक वर्ड विदाउट एनी इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ अदर्स द कैपेसिटी टू एक्ट
वही तो.
without outside interference. It is called sovereign. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Played by A.O. Hume. Yesterday only we discussed about this. What was the role played by Mr. A.O. What was the role played by Mr. A.O. Hume? And the answer, I want answer from Gunjan. Yes, Gunjan. Gunjan. What was the role played by Mr. A.O. Hume? Yesterday only we discussed about Mr. A.O. Hume, है ना? Who was Mr. A.O. Hume? Yes, Madhur, would you like to tell the answer? Madhur? अच्छा मतलब फटाक से वीडियो ऑफ कर लो.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Don't know. If you are not knowing yesterday, Mr. A.O. Hume, you should raise your question ना कि मैम हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एक बार फिर से बताइए. Who will tell about this? Who will tell the answer? Riddhima, Shelly, Rashi. Saksham. Who will tell the answer? First of all, beta, keep on your video, all of you. Again and again, I will not tell. Then after, I will remove you from the class. I will teach only few children. Those videos are on. What is the problem to keep on your video? And who will reply me of this question? What was the role played by Mr. A.O. Hume? Who will reply? Simple सी बात है. Who was Mr. A.O. Hume? Suryansh. Yes. Tell the answer, beta.
Ma'am, he was founder of Indian National Congress.
Yes, he was founder of Indian National Congress. है ना? हमने कल ही डिस्कस किया था ना मिस्टर A.O. Hume with some Indian leaders like सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी, नरेंद्रनाथ, है ना? ये सारे लोगों ने मिल करके क्या किया था? इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस एस्टैब्लिश किया था. मोतीलाल नेहरू. Right. Now the next question. Be ready for the next question. Next question is. Yes. Mention the slogan raised by Tilak. Mention the slogan raised by Tilak. I think all the hands should be raised now. All the hands should be raised now. Naman will tell the answer. Why only these much children? Naman, Chaitanya, Bhumika, Laksh.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Naman.
Yes, ma'am. The slogan is by Tilak was "Freedom is my birthright, and I shall have it."
Yes. The slogan raised by Tilak was freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this slogan was raised in English or only, or it was in Hindi?
It was Hindi only, not in English. It's a translation form, translated form. Okay? It was only Hindi. Actually, the slogan
Okay.
was स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और इसे मैं लेकर ही रहूंगा. That was the real form. It is translated, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So be ready for the next question. I am asking very easy question which would be help you to solve your MCQs. In which year Congress split took place? In which year Congress split took place? In which year Congress split took place? I'm not writing here, note down the question. In which year Congress split took place? Now answer. In which year Congress split took place? Yes, Pahal?
Ma'am, at Surat 1907.
Yes. 1907 is the right answer. Very good. Next question. When did Gandhiji arrived from where? When did Gandhiji arrived from where? When did Gandhiji arrive India from where? When did Gandhiji arrive India from where? Naman. When did Gandhiji arrive
Yes, ma'am.
India from where? Yes.
Gandhiji arrived in India from London in 1951.
Wrong answer. When did Gandhiji arrive India from where? Suryansh?
Ma'am, he was arrived from Europe in 1915.
It's the wrong answer. Laksh?
Ma'am, Gandhiji arrived India in 1915 from Africa.
Yes, Gandhiji arrived India in 1915 from Africa is right answer. South Africa. Okay, Gandhiji arrived India in 1915 from South Africa is right answer. Okay, next question. When was the Khilafat issue got introduced in front of the world? Or in which year Khilafat agitation started? In which year Khilafat agitation started? Khilafat movement. In which year Khilafat movement started? In which year Khilafat movement started? In which year Khilafat movement started? Laksh?
Ma'am, 1919.
1920 is right answer. 1920 is absolutely right answer. Next question is, how many delegates from all over India met at Bombay in 1885? How many delegates from all over India met at Bombay in 1885? How many delegates from all over India met at Bombay in 1885? And the right answer is, how many delegates? Okay, I'm Sakshi. Sakshi
Ma'am, 72.
is right answer. 72 is right answer. 72 delegates were there. Okay. What was the effect of World War First in economic context of India? Means how World War First was affected economically affected India? How did World War First economically affect India? How did World War First economically affected India? All the hands should be raised first. Second thing is that you need to keep on your camera. That is my last warning. Now I'm removing one after one from my class. What's the issue to keep on your camera? What is the issue? What's the problem? From beginning till now, without any fail, I can see only Pahal Vaid on the screen. Yes, Chaitanya, tell the answer fast. Yes, Chaitanya.
I'm not able. Yes, ma'am. I was telling, ma'am. See, the World War First, and ma'am. Before this, ma'am, I wanted to tell, ma'am. Can you please repeat the eight question once again?
I will tell, but first of all, tell me the answer of this.
Ma'am, did World War First economically affect India? Yes, ma'am. First of all, this India was dragged. It was not participating. It got dragged into this World War First,
Yes.
and because of this, many weapons, soldiers, and many much more weapon and some things were used, which cost a lot. And ma'am, it was costing so much that ma'am, this Indian economy, ma'am, it was failing. Ma'am, the more weapons, more vests, and more equipments were getting used, and the economy was getting down.
Excellent.
And ma'am, Britishers, ma'am, they were so witty and cunning that, ma'am, they did not allow their Indian means they did not allow their British soldiers to participate in World War First. And also they allowed, there was a very minimum number of them, and more of Indian soldiers they used just for their profit.
Good. Excellent.
Okay.
So, as Chaitanya told, the World War First, India was not participating. They were dragged forcefully. है The First World War led to huge rise of defense expenditure. Of the government of India. The second point, the government in turn increased taxes. It's an obvious thing if the expenditure is raised. The only and easiest form to collect money is increasing taxes. Okay. Second thing, increase military expenditure. And demand of the war supplies led to the sharp rise in prices that created difficulties for the common people. On the other side, business groups reaped fabulous profits from the war. As always we discuss, each coin has a two aspect. Here also we found, एक तरफ तो देश पूरी तरह से economically क्या हो रहा था, down हो रहा था. दूसरी तरफ the second part of the country, that those who are the businessmen, they were getting profit. Why? Because of demand of the things. Okay, the war created demand of industrial goods, and there was seen a decline of imports from the other countries into India. जो बाहर से ब्रिटेन से रॉ मटेरियल आता था, जो ब्रिटेन से आयरन शीट्स आते थे, वो सारे आने बंद हो गए. तो क्या हुआ, सडनली इंडिया का टेक्सटाइल और इंडस्ट्रीज, आयरन इंडस्ट्रीज दोनों क्या होने लगा, बहुत तरक्की करने लगा. ओके, these industries began demanding greater opportunities for development. All these show the way economic and political situation alerted in India with the event of the First World War. Got it, children? Is it clear to all of you? Is there any doubt? No? Okay, fine. So the next question is, Very common question. We have repeated this many times. What happened in Chauri Chaura that Gandhiji called off his non-cooperation movement? Chauri Chaura incident happened in year 1922. And just because of this, Gandhiji called off his non-cooperation movement. So what was the incident? Actual incident, what happened there? कि गांधी जी को कॉल्ड ऑफ करना पड़ा मूवमेंट. Here only Chaitanya is raising his hand.
So yes, ma'am. I was telling, ma'am, Gandhi ji, he had so good virtues of truth, non-violence, etc. So,
Yes.
ma'am, he applied it in his daily life, and he had to take a vow that I will not do any violence or I will not speak untruth. Because of this, he was so like tough in his vows that even a single violence. What happened that in the Chauri Chora incident, there was a police station in Chauri Chora. So, ma'am, what happened? Gandhi ji, he was just protesting and marching slogans and just walking. He's like, ma'am, what happened that in Chauri Chaura, some violence happened that Gandhiji's follower, man, they had to do violence. They felt that if Gandhiji just did like marching slogans and all, what would happen? So because of this belief, they ma'am put fire in the police station,
Yeah.
beating all the policemen. And ma'am, this saddened Gandhiji so much, ma'am, he had to call off that movement. And he was so sad that he didn't even feel to like have something in like food, etc.
Good. So Mahatma Gandhi was against violence. Okay. In February 1922. In February 1922. क्या हुआ था 1922 में? When a crowd of peasants set fire to police station in Chauri Chaura, 22 policemen were killed. And this was the movement, this was the incident. Because of this, Gandhiji called off non-cooperation movement. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? The last question which I am going to ask is, Rowlatt Satyagraha, I will not ask because so many times you have replied and read about this. So, give me one name of a book which is written by Dadabhai Naoroji. Name a book written by Dadabhai Naoroji. It is given in an NCERT book. If you will see the picture, just below the picture of Dadabhai Naoroji, one quotation is there, two lines are given there in the book, and below that picture it is given there. Name a book written by Dadabhai Naoroji. Suryansh would, Suryansh, tell the answer.
Ma'am, Poverty of India.
Yes, Poverty of India. Actually, it is not Poverty of India. Poverty and Un-British Rule of India. The name of the book is Poverty and Un-British Rule of India. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
This book shows us the economic impact of British rule in India. है ना? इस बुक में mainly यही डिस्कस किया गया है. And one more thing, children, before ending the class, I would like to tell you, please see your NCERT book properly and daily. Pictures especially, because picture-based question you will get. Okay? Picture-based questions you will get. So it is compulsory, it is must to see all your NCERT books pictures. Name the book which is written by Dadabhai Naoroji. Got it, Pehel? Okay, for today this much only. Tomorrow we will continue with new topics, new headlines, and tomorrow we will revise the chapter agriculture. Chapter agriculture. Okay. Till then, God bless you.